too. They are fast and have a bite strength. Oh, blimey. Oh, snakes can kill with a single bite. Brilliant. Love the music.
It's vibey.
It's vibey.
I want you to jump as hard as you can on that bit.
You have light preservers underneath y'all seats though. Y'all find one, put one around your neck at that moment. You don't see me back there, you swim faster than the person behind you, you live. It's a guarantee. If you hear your person screaming, don't stop, they lost. Front seat, if I get hurt, it trip off. Look at a bite mark on his face, huh? Come here, buddy. Who's just biting on you? That mean? That gator right there weighs probably about 300-400 pounds, y'all. Big old guy. Come here. Come on, little guy. Come on. You want to try one? Y'all gonna fight each other like y'all did earlier.
My survival instincts are worse off having done that, because like halfway through there was like something flicked a switch where I was like, alligators are really cute. Swag has been picked up. The Voodoo Rendezvous. And there's many funky gubbins on the back as well. Hoosiers,
Very cool.
SCCA Super Tour, Lone Star region, Houston region, SCCA, and the Texas region too. Bloody love it here. Palm trees. This feels like a tropical croft.
Well, I don't think anyone has put tropical and croft in the same set.
Hey, guess what this guy just did?
So this is our first look at NOLA. We've arrived because we have to do some registration bits to save us doing them in the morning. Team are here. Luke's chatting with some of the other drivers as well, and just you know, hanging out, making friends. And yeah, sun's out. Good vibes at the track.
Morning!
Morning!
So, high recommendation if you ever are driving a race car, make sure the night before you eat fried oysters.
Didn't think it was a good idea.
Well, we went to a place where everything on the menu was going to be a fried bit of seafood.
No, there was other stuff.
Such as?
Burgers, steaks, chicken.
What did you order?
I went along with you. You know,
You can't just lump in like that.
I'm a pleaser. And I was actually quite worried last night going to sleep. I just thought, oh, that was such a bad idea. How did you feel after seeing the track last night? Did you get much of a gauge on it?
I did not feel. Nah, not really. Don't really see much. It does definitely feel like a real unknown as a track in terms of I've got no idea what my pace will be like out of the box.
Yeah.
I have a feeling it's quite different, so it might take me a little bit of speed to get up to speed, if you will. But yeah, can't be that hard.
Can't be that hard.
Can't be that hard. I have a gift. Grant gave me a gift. It's a tyre rod, well, it's a wheel rod fit. It's something that I broke last weekend in Atlanta, so I got that. I'm currently working on my car. First session's done. It is weird. I quite like it. It feels like Croft, except there's a really wobbly bit that goes left, right in the middle of the track, and everyone has no rear end through there, myself included. So we're figuring it out, changing toe angle and such. Got a new teammate for this weekend, Frankie Barossa, from MX-5 and other such things. He's doing double duties today, Mark 3s and the Mark 2s. So yeah, sun's out, Keith from Cheers is right there. We've got the dream team on display today. Grant's over there. breaking more stuff on my car, and it's just absolutely fabulous. So yeah, session 1 done. We were really, really quick to begin with, then I kind of fell away and the car got a bit loose. So, you know, we think it's a bit of both, me and the car. But there are about 3 laps where everything was perfect, so we're going to try and replicate that for the rest of the weekend, which I think we can do. So yeah, keep you posted. And thus ends a very successful test day. As we get in the old vehicular device. Oh, there's loads of gubbins everywhere. Hang on. I'll tell you what. This is a lovely car, isn't it? What is this? What brand?
It's a Mazda.
Is it?
Yeah, if you are interested in a new vehicle, why not try a Mazda? Vroom vroom.
Discount code Keith.
Yeah.
That was a good day.
That was a great day.
That was a fabulous day.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a very, very good day.
Very good day.
I think the term is you came correct.
Came correct. I stood on business.
You did really well, mate.
Yeah, and we had fun, and it's very crofty. I definitely need to. There's 1 or 2 things that I need to change still. There's not a lot. We're kind of nitpicking. Grant's happy. I'm happy, and it gets even better because we're eating raw fish for dinner.
We're going out for sushi tonight.
Woohoo!
Brilliant.
Oysters.
Oysters.
Oysters in the cloisters. That's what my mum always says.
She's never said that.
No, she's not. I'm sorry.
Nobody says.
No one's ever said that. Had some sushi. Was nice. A wonderful day of testing today is complete, and we got qualifying at 10 in the morning, so we got a bit of a lay-in. A bit of race in the afternoon. Oh, I looked, and there is qualifying too on Sunday, so we have qualifying and a race tomorrow, and then another qualifying and a race on Sunday, which is a bit silly. I don't know why you need 2 qualies, but hey.
What time's the race tomorrow?
2:50, 2:30, something like that.
Nice.
So yeah, not too bad.
Nice.
It's about 4 hours after quali, so. Oh no, Harry Potter's on the floor. Let's go.
West we go or west we go?
West we go.
It's definitely not that.
It's west we go. What is that? That's a lovely looking car down there.
NOLA, baby.
NOLA. Unblur. There we go. Just in time for everything to be too close.
What is that?
It's that thing, isn't it? Little thing. Oh my god.
That looks brilliant.
That looks really hard to drive.
You maybe.
Yeah, it's whatever. Woohoo! I finished 4th on the road and they gave me a jug, but I don't know if this jug was given to me. It's called Juggy, by the way, we've already named it. I don't know if this was given to me because I got 4th or if it was like a random draw. I'm hoping it's a random draw because I've inherited P3, not how we wanted to do it, but it is awesome that we have it. The downside is I now don't know if I have to give Juggy to Logan, who finished behind me. So if it was for 4th, that's really sad. To be honest, I prefer the jug to the trophy, so we're gonna go find out where Juggy belongs. Nice trophy.
Thanks, man. My boy won it.
Oh, yeah, that's it. That was me.
Yeah.
I'm your boy.
You're my boy.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go. Listen to the noise.
Incredible.
I want to eat it. I want to put it in my mouth. Give it. We get to keep the jug. This day gets better and better.
Woohoo!
I'm so glad we named it. I would have gone to court. I would have fought for custody of Juggy.
Yeah. I'd be like, Boxing Day's not the same as Christmas Day.
Can you get a nice little shot of me and my son?
We get to keep the jug. Very happy. Good job.
What a day.
What a day.
What a bloody day.
I told you it was not a 4th place prize.
It was a free gift.
That's what I told you.
What a country. USA. 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 Love it.
Land of the free, baby. The day is pretty much done. I don't really film before or after quali, so sorry about that. Didn't go well. We were a little bit late out, so ran ahead of time. Didn't get a tow. Issues were had. Started P8.
Yeah.
And so I was like a bit mopey for a couple of hours, and then it got sunny, and then I got tired. Then I ate some chicken, and that was good. The Brosos cooked a little cookout for us over there, but they've gone now. They're bloody lovely. Everyone here is bloody lovely. Anyway, P8, started P8 in the race, had a really good opening couple laps, fought through, and then everyone's tyres kind of went off towards the end, and held on for P4, which was really good. P4 on the road, and then P3, due to a technicality, got disqualified. So P3, so P8 to P3, I'll get a snazzy hat which says stuff on it, and I get a trophy, and we get to keep the jug. So is this the best day ever? You decide. Comment below if this is the best day ever. Of course, you know it is. So if you don't comment, what are you doing? I don't know what the rest of the day we're going to do. That sentence didn't make sense grammatically, but I will be having a shower soon because I'm smelly. End of clip. Yeah, we'll go down to the casino.
Exactly. I wasn't talking about paying for stupid race car bills. I was talking about fun stuff. Like
No, because
Disneyland.
if you yes. No, I'm thinking though, if we go to the casino,
Yeah.
go all in.
Yeah.
There's like a 50% chance we'll have
It's
$20,000.
true. And then think about this. Let me blow your mind. We can do it again. No,
Based
listen.
off of our experience last night, do not listen to this.
we were talking about it because like obviously we're logical enough that when we talk about gambling, you realize the odds reset after every time. You're like, no, it's red 3 times, has to be black.
Yeah.
You're like, that's how that works. Like 100%, that's how it works.
resets.
And it acts as like, no, it's not. I'm like, listen, I know it's not. Gambling is more fun.
You better have cashed that out though.
No, that's not even $1. You're giving us too much credit. That was 17 cents.
17 cents.
Nice jugs, mate. Wait.
Just like that, we are back at Express Pullen.
The Express Sweetened Inns.
Yeah, got a nice root beer.
Did you? Oh, yeah. Dad's favourite bit at the moment is pretending that every time he locks the car and it beeps, that it makes him jump. And it, yeah, well,